Okay, folks, well, we're about to see an Ariel Pixie running. Quite a rare old bike. It's about 50 years, 55 years old now. Well, probably nearer 60 actually. 1963. Single overhead valve, 50cc engine. As I say, quite rare because they kept going wrong and breaking, so you don't see many about. And they were only made for 18 months. Introduced to fight off the onslaught of the Honda 50, but they never made it. They were a rush design which wasn't perfect, but you know, if you don't give them too much use, they'll probably last a while. I've had the frame parts powder coated, as you can see. It's all nice and shiny and new looking. It's got a pressed steel frame as well. That's yet to be restored, so it's a lump of rust at the moment. Up there I've set up a temporary fuel tank. Down to the carburetor. Carburetor has a fuel tap. Has it built into the carburetor there. It's a strange affair, which is a pain in the arse, of course, if should it go wrong, because there's no tap to turn off the petrol coming out of the petrol tank, so it leaks everywhere. But that aside, it's quite a clever little design. On this side we have the flywheel. It's gear driven primary drive, so the clutch is housed just behind it. Gear driven off the crankshaft, so the crankshaft rotates as we look at it in a clockwise direction. And that's about all there is to do. It produces about 4 horsepower, top speed probably 40 miles an hour, that sort of ilk. Okay, further ado, I'll use my electric drill to whiz it over and get it going. So I've just spent a few minutes setting up the tick over so it doesn't keep stopping. Probably a little bit fast now, but all in all seems to be alright. You can hear the rattle of the valve here. Of course there's no exhaust pipe on the moment, that's why it's a bit loud at the moment. The exhaust pipe's getting re-chromed, and I'm having to get a new exhaust silencer made, because they don't make them anymore, and to find one is becoming quite a problem. Anyway, so this is an Ariel Pixie. It's a 4-speed gearbox operated by a foot change on the front of those 2 spigots there, the rear one being the kickstart. Kickstart and the gear lever are both away getting re-chromed as well, so when they come back and fit it up and get the frame powder coated, so it all should be looking pretty. Okay, that's all there is. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll turn it off now. Turned off by just shorting out that wire.